Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tantita Johnson, and today I'm back with a style on myself. This is a combination of elastics with a braid in the front. And yes, I chopped it off. My hair is short, like I would say, so more than half is gone. Leave me a comment down here below and tell me what you think of this. Of this short hair. So for this hairstyle I start with a Dutch braid in the front with a side parting, and I'm taking 3 strands and I'm braiding the inner strand, the top strand under the middle, and then the outer strand under the middle, and in the second stitch I'm adding in hair, in the third stitch, you see, bring it under and then add in hair, bring it under and add in hair. I don't do partings on myself before, just the main parting, that is my side part, and then I just look how I like where the braid goes along, and I'm holding always my hands exactly in that direction I want to braid to. So this is what I'm doing here, always separating the 3 strands in between of my fingers, and always bringing first under, grabbing, and then bringing in some new hair. When I reach the end of the crown, I'm just braiding a normal regular 3-strand Dutch braid. So always bring left under the middle, right under the middle, and then I'm using a hair tile to secure the braid, some hairspray to make it a bit wider, pancaking it, and this could be worn like this, just one accent braid on shoulder long hair. But I wanted the other side also not braided, but just with some elastics, so that when I go to the construction site working, that I don't have it in the middle of my face, or when the wind comes now with the bad weather. And when they bring in the second elastic, I take a topsy tail tool and I just flip it down. So bring it through the tool, pull and pull it through, and then you can even tighten the elastic, then take another portion of hair. I try to make it look even to the other side, and here the same thing, bring in the elastic, swipe through the topsy tail tool, pull the tool through, and then the braid, flip it around and tie it. And I'm combining this everything all together in a deep or low ponytail. And I like to use for this scrunchies, I did not add any more products, so I'm just bringing all together with a little scrunchie. And here you have the combination of elastics with a Dutch braid on the front that goes until the ponytail. If you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We're coming up with 2 new tutorials every week. Bye bye!